Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Just want to drop in and make this video. Earlier, when I came home, I took these battery terminals off, and I noticed that this battery cable, the negative, had some rust on the battery cable itself. And I didn't film it, I didn't record it, but I scrubbed the wires, I cleaned the terminals, and I just put the old terminals back in. And it was really kind of bugging me. I don't like to do jobs that I clean, but I reuse old parts or whatever. I feel like if they're used or if they're old or whatever. But I went ahead and went to Walmart and I got new battery terminals to replace these ones. I had these for about a year now. And I don't know. I'll get into it more when I take them off and show you. It's time to replace them. But yeah, I'm gonna replace these, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, just real quick, I wanted to show you what these battery terminals look like. We got a little bit of rust on them. We got a little bit of wear. See how this is all bent out? Got some rust going right there. So yeah, there's the old battery cables. And just want to take these off. Put these on. Now, if I already did this earlier, I didn't record it, like I said, but I got a wire brush and I scrubbed the wires really good so the copper shows again. The battery cable, this negative one, was rusted on top right here, and it wasn't making good contact. So got a wire brush, scrubbed all that off really good to the copper again. And we're gonna put these new puppies on. So I'll be right back and I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys, thanks for watching again. I'm back, and this is the finished product. New terminals on. And we got power. We are good. Old funky terminals. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's what I use, and it looks great. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. I just want to drop in, show you what I do, how I do things, and that's a wrap. As always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your views. I love when you guys comment. Any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always here. And we're going to keep it pushing. You guys stay blessed, man. Have a good night.